In this audio case study, we explore how a copper smelter addressed extensive downtime, high replacement costs, and logistical challenges associated with their waste heat boiler. Traditionally, the copper smelter plant faced significant challenges with the waste heat boiler, experiencing only 11 to 13 months of service life for critical panels. This led to extensive downtime, high replacement costs, and logistical challenges, particularly exacerbated by supply chain disruptions due to the COVID-19 situation. The copper smelter plant had historically resorted to panel replacements, single tube replacement, and weld build-up strategies. The turning point occurred when a representative came across another waste heat boiler reliability project delivered by IGS and approached the company seeking alternative solutions. This led to a comprehensive technical presentation to the plant's maintenance and commercial teams. Following successful presentations and discussions, IGS delivered a 70 square meter application of their proprietary HVTS high-nobility alloy cladding. The application took place in a laydown yard in October 2022, targeting critical areas of the waste heat boiler. The waste heat boiler ran continuously until the end of September 2023. In August, anticipating an outage, IGS mobilized an inspection crew, including local representatives from Chile. Despite a tight 5-hour window, the team conducted a thorough inspection using magnetic liftoff gauge testing. The results were overwhelmingly positive, with the cladding exhibiting no degradation after 11.5 months of service. Kevin Phillips, who has overseen both the project and inspection, described the cladding as in applied condition. "In all my years as a technical solutions partner, I have never had a client hug me. They were so pleased with the outcome," said Kevin. The success of the waste heat boiler project paved the way for potential collaborations on other critical components within the copper smelter. Converter hoods, copper cooling plates, and other identified assets are now under consideration for IGS solutions. The client's satisfaction has positioned IGS as a trusted partner. Thank you for joining us. If you would like to stay updated on our latest case studies, please click the link in the description to subscribe or visit our website at www.integratedglobal.com.